Hello, my name is Miguel Angel Rojas. I study bachelor's degree as a foreign languages, and today I'm going to start with this activity, 5-year plan for English 4. Um, and I'm going to start with the career and vocation. So in 5 years, I'm going to be graduate from UNAT University in my program bachelor degree in foreign languages with emphasis in English. I'm going to be working in a public school, so my job will be as a teacher. The social, family and friends. So my relationships will be nice and friendly. I'm going to be working as a teacher, so I will be a great person with them. I'm going to be surrounded with different people, but I love all of time with my future students and mates. My family will be feel proud of me and happy. So the next finances, I'm going to be managing my finances. I will be planning my finances, organizing my incoming, and cover all expenses, saving what I can, and thus give me my gift. The next health, I'm going to be planning my healthy habits because I think that is very important to my health. I will be a healthy person, following a structure of food plan. I'm going to eat healthy food such as fruits, vegetables, and proteins. The travel. I'm going to be a traveler because I will be visiting different towns and countries. I really enjoy traveling, and 5 years I'm going to visit 5 countries and 10 towns. I hope that in 5 years could be visiting a lot of countries. The next knowledge, I'm going to planning to keep harvesting and taking care of my intellect because I will be a teacher, so I will need to keep my knowledge and could improve my intellect. So I'm going to planning to acquire a lot of knowledge as can as possible. And finally, spiritually, I'm going to be taking care of my spirituality because that is a good exercise in my life. The spirituality will be my principal goal. I'm not going to planning to attend to mass, but I will be a good person and share my knowledge with everybody. I'm going to keep the path of my religion and following all the statements. I think that is a very important aspect of the human life, so I will be taking care of my religion and will be a generous human. So this is my plan for 5 years, and I hope that you are enjoying with this video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.